Is green tea good for your health? Drinking green tea may improve the health, and green tea keeps cancer and heart diseases at bay. Green tea has no negative side effects. The simple answer to that question is a big, emphatic yes. From keeping cancer at bay to preventing heart disease, Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, green tea could be doing almost everything that your doctor is for you. In this video, you will learn a lot about the seriously impressive health benefits of green tea. Weight loss. Green tea contains caffeine, a fat-burning stimulant, which increases the amount of antioxidants in your bloodstream. Although 1 cup of green tea raises your antioxidant levels and boosts metabolism, which helps you to lose weight and lower your risk of obesity. Reduces the risk of heart diseases. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called flavonoids, which protect the heart and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Improves brain functions. Green tea not only just keeps you awake, it can also make you smarter. It contains caffeine, which blocks an inhibitory neurotransmitter in the brain called adenosine, which increases the firing of neurons and the concentration of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Lower your risk of diabetes. Diabetes is counted as one of the chronic diseases in which levels of glucose or sugar are too high in the blood. Most food experts suggest some foods and drinks that help manage blood sugar levels. One of them is green tea, which can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Fight anxiety. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that can have a positive effect on your body or mind. It helps to keep you feeling calm, focused, and alert. Kills bacteria in your body and improves dental health. The antioxidants and flavonoids loaded in green tea helps to kill free radicals that damage your cells. The compound contained in green tea helps to prevent cavities and gum diseases, as well as decreasing the chances of inflammation. Please keep in mind that there are almost no side effects of green tea. You can also try green tea with the other healthy ingredients such as ginger, tulsi leaves, and many other.